So, this is my AC hose right here. This is on a 905 Prius. Just gotta pull back the carpeting, pull off this panel right here. Just pull it off, it pops off pretty easy. This little deal. This end fits perfectly. There we go. This end fits perfectly on that tube. It's a little bit clumsy, but this is a 2-ounce plunger. This type of end. What I did is I agitated it back and forth several times, pulling out the end like that and going back and forth several times. One thing I did lose though, you can see on the outside of it, there is a grommet right there. When I push it back in, it caught the grommet and it basically detached it, causing it to fall out. It doesn't fall out to the ground, it falls into some part of the car, I can't see. So I'm going to use aluminum tape and tape the crap out of it and basically leave it as it is, because I can't get the rubber grommet. So, but that's how you can fix a clogged AC hose on a 05 Prius.